All right, installing the trigger guard is the next step. There's several kinds out there on the market. This is the basic that usually comes with parts kits. And then there's what they call the toolless type, which isn't usually 100% toolless. Every once in a while there are, but this one it's a Spike tactical, but it is somewhat toolless. I'll show you how to do that one as well. But anyway, the way we start this is you put your trigger in. You want to make sure you line up the hole here. And if you can see daylight, obviously there you go, it's lined up. And then you normally would take a roll pin starter. I highly recommend these. Put it in the top and start tapping. Okay, once it gets started, you can move to a regular punch and keep on going. There's another method too. We'll go ahead and get this in, but you just basically keep smacking down until it goes in. It'll go in and take a little bit of force. This is a tool by Wheeler. It's a Delta series. It's designed to put these trigger guards in. Mine's been used and abused. But the way to do this is you loosen it up and put the pin right there in the center and start tightening it up. You can see through there, right? And you just turn and you can see it pushing the pin right in there. If you're going to do more than one AR build, highly recommend this tool. It's definitely worthwhile. Then you just back it out. Looks like the pin got stuck in there. There we go. And voila. It also comes with a second pin for removing. So if you want to take this out and put another one in. The next step is you just push in this pin and tap it down into place. If it doesn't want to go on its own, sometimes you gotta talk to it a little bit. There we go. And it locks into place. Okay. Now with these toolless ones, this one from Spikes is actually quite easy. If you take this pin out, and this is where the tool comes in, honestly. It's not difficult, but it'll pop right out. But use the same process. The difference in this will slide in a heck of a lot easier and it'll get caught inside. And then the front is the same. You just got a spring load here. So you would basically do the same thing. Put this in first, you slide the pin in, it'll lock into place, roll it up, push that in and get it on in there. So that's it, quick and painless. Do us a favor, subscribe to the channel. Check out the playlist on AR15 build. I'm doing them part by part by part. The whole assembly, disassembly, etc. cleanings will be in the playlist. And of course, there's a long version of this as well where I cover the whole thing from end to end. It's all these clips basically put together. So either way, do me a favor and subscribe, support a veteran-owned small business. And if you hit that bell, it'll alert you when other videos come out. So train hard and stay safe out there.